Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Today we're going to do box challenges. I'm going to try to get this one done as quickly as we can because it is getting late. I am batch filming and I need to get to sleep. So, we finished our box challenges last week, so we are starting 2 new box challenges. Well, one is not new. It's new to the channel. But it is not a new box challenge that I'm working on. But the second one is a new one, and I'm excited about that one. But we're gonna first go ahead and get started with our Monster Town box challenge. So we have finished most of the first one, and we are almost done with the second expansion pack. And I have the third expansion pack in here as well. And then I just bought the 4th one from Ali Bear Budgets. But we're going to go ahead and get started today. We have 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and $41. Excuse me. Oh, here are my cards. I was like, where did my cards go? Where'd they go? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give these a shuffle. So hopefully we might be able to finish a couple cards. I don't know, doubt it, but you never know, I suppose. You never know. And this box challenge is from April Special Start and Ali Bear Budgets. All right, so we have Monster Restaurant. Do we have that? Oh, is this one? Oh, here we go. I was like, what's going on? All right, so we just owed this one $3. Awesome. So that is finished. Heck yes. See? And we at least finished a section. All right, let's go ahead and mark that off. And we also we're going to have to mark that off on our tracker when we are done. Okay, so that one is completed. I don't know why I put it all over there. All right, search and save. Let's see. Oh, that one goes there. What is this one? That one maybe? So it goes in this one? So roll a die and add to the amount. And add to amount. Well, it'd have to be this one. Okay, we'll just roll a d6. Whatever. All right, and we got a 6. So we'll go ahead and put that in. We'll just put these over here so I don't have to reach across every time. All right, we've got our bonus savings. Oh, let's see. What do we have? We have, let's do the roll. Let's just roll it and see a 3. So 1, a 2, a 3, because it goes up to 6. So that one needs to go back in, I do believe. Okay, and we have, it looks like the lawyer maybe. Yeah, right there. So that is $6. And that one is done. Okay, we have the police officer. Let's see. That one, no. That is the library. Okay, which one are you? $4. How has everybody's week been? Sorry, I'm kind of quiet. I've been batch filming, so I'm just like talked out a little bit. But yes. Let's see. What is that one? This one? No. No. I'm not sure what this one is. Here? No. Not the daycare. No. I'm not sure what you go to. You're from an old one maybe? And Already finished that one? I think so. I guess we'll find out at the end. Okay. Oh no, here he is. See? Okay. All right, we got $3. Man, I'm tired. Okay, $5 for you, Miss Ma'am. You look like a library, yeah. $5? Okay, we only have a few dollars left. Job fair, $5 or $10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have $1 left. We'll put that back in so we can save more money. Let's see, do we have something that we can... I can put it in here, I suppose, as the $1. Oh, I should have put it in the... I should have put it in the thing in the front. Oh well. All right, and that is it for our Monster Town. So we finished a good couple cards, so that's nice. All right, let's go ahead and put these all away, and then we can count up what we have saved for our first section completed. That newsstand monster, oh no, it was the restaurant. It took forever to finish. And I did finish a bunch of sections off camera, so you will see that when we do our November closeout. So that way, if you are somebody who watches every single one of my videos, you will know that you will see that. But so for this challenge here, we have saved all together 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. Awesome. That is $70. That is a lot of money. That is so exciting. I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I'm loving this method of saving money because before I was just blown all this money and have literally nothing to show for it. I'd have like drawers full of gym clothes. So this first section in Monster Town has saved us, oh, here we go, $273. That is freaking awesome. And I do, for Monster Town, I do pull out each section after we finish it. Because I did take a long break from this especially. I didn't want to just have that in there doing nothing for me. So, our second box challenge. Nope, that's not our box challenges. Where did you go? Here we go. This one I'm super excited about. This one is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. It is our from Kansas to Oz. I absolutely love The Wizard of Oz. It is my absolute like all-time favorite movie. So when I saw her post that she had this on her coffee shop, I snatched it up immediately. It was a couple dollars, well worth it. So today we are bringing in 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Holy crap, Nicole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 60. Okay, so $60. I don't know why I brought in that many fives when we have a brand new box challenge to do. But I guess we'll see what happens with that. We'll give our cards a good shake or shuffle. Not a shake. That would be wild if I shook all these cards up. Cause that would not be fun. Okay, pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Let's see, what may that be? Ah, here we go. Awesome. So that is $3. Okay. And then it's not where you go, it's who you meet along the way. There we go. And $2. I don't know. I feel like this, I'm going to be preemptively speaking out of turn probably, but I feel like this $60 is going to go. It's going to go good. It's going to get us a good chunk finished. Follow the yellow brick road. Ooh, I know what that is. Okay. So this is a little game and it says, so each icons equal a roll and save. If I could talk, that would be fantastic. Okay, we'll go ahead and start. We'll put our little decky. 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is a roll and save. We got an icon, so that is a $2. And that one needs to go. Let's go one more time. 1 and 2, another icon. So, and that is $6. Of course it is. But at least we can use up one of these 5s. Okay. And that one is going to need to go back into the pile. All right, some people without brains are do an awful lot of talking, don't you think? There we go. $4. I have a feeling this one is going to save us a good bit of money as well. If you haven't watched my videos, I just love box challenges. They will take us a while, but I love them. Okay, so we have 2, but there's a little witch hat on here. So our witch hat is 2 times by 2. So that's going to be 4. But I'm going to put the 1 back and put in a 5. Okay. Ooh, the little house. Ooh, and there's a witch. So the witch is roll a dice of your choice and save extra. Awesome. You know me, I am going to do that. All right, so that is, we have $3. So let's get our 3 out. And then hopefully we can condense that a little bit because I'm not sure. Oh, plus a 1. No, I surely cannot. Okay. Ooh, we gotta shut the Oz door. All right, so we got a mini shut the box. Oh, Lord. Goodness. Are you about done? Because you really suck at your job. Oh, God. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and I don't know where I don't know if I even started because my 3D printer, sometimes they just don't want to cooperate. And a 5. I'm not sure how we're going to do this. A 5. So we have a, oh, I have 10 corners. 5. Okay. That's rude. So let's just go with the 2. We're going to go with the 2 for now. Even though I don't really have a whole lot of 1s left. I could probably do the 10. Oh yeah, I can do the 10. We're doing the 10. We're doing the 10. Where's my... I didn't realize I still had a butt ton of 5s. So we are doing the 10. So we can save the absolute most. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So that is $2. Awesome. Let's see if we can condense anything because we need these ones. Oh, yes, we sure can. Fantastic. Okay, let's go ahead and, ooh, a little lollipop. Which one is that on? Oh, here we go. So that's 3, but we also have the little crown, and that is save an extra $1. So we have, that one's going to be $4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Ooh, and the lion. Where are you? Not there. Here we go, $4. All right, let's put a 1 back and take a 5. Awesome. Love it, love it, love it. All right, and that is a 1. I hate capping and uncapping the marker. It's not gonna, seriously? Okay. So I am content in knowing I am as brave as any beast that ever lived, if not braver. Okay, so that's $3. We have a crown. The crown is at $1, so that's $4. We're gonna put 1 back and take a 5. And we got a witch hat. Where are you? Oh, okay, so that is a $1. And sometimes I count my challenges, sometimes or my box challenges, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I feel, I suppose. Let's see, where are you at? I know I saw you, but I don't remember which card you were on. Is it this one? Yeah, okay, $5. Holy guacamole. And then there's a witch on there, and then there's a roll, a dice, and save. And a 1. Okay. And we have $3 left, so let's see. Okay, this card is gonna get finished. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ooh, that's $1. $1. Okay, we have 2 left. I'm not sure if I should just call it there. And we can, yes, we're gonna do that because I'm gonna get myself into trouble. Because let's see what the next card was. Yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no. We'll go ahead and shuffle. Oh, we need to put these back. Go ahead and I'm gonna shuffle them back in. But we finished I think we finished a good amount of cards for our first time for our, from Oz to Kansas to Oz. All right, so for our Yellow Brick Road, we have $11 going in there today. And then our Shut the Oz door, we have $10. And I'll just save on this one just based on what money we have available. So our section 6 is $3. So it'll just be based on whatever we have at the time. So this one is $5. It was really hard. It was really hard for me to pick out a box challenge out of the bunches that I have. Oh, this card, is this card seriously done already? Okay, I didn't even realize we finished this card. So this one is 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. So that card is finished. We literally finished 1 card today. That's awesome. But in this box, these kinds of box challenges, I am going to keep it in there till we are done. The only reason I do for the only reason I pull out for the Monster Town is because there are so many expansion packs to it. So, and then section 1, we saved $4 today. Awesome. Okay. Oh, and we gotta put that $2 back in there for next week. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. All right, and that is it for today. And I thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.